Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Risan Ranalianingsih. I am student at Department of Mathematics Education Class A, UIN Syarif Hidayatullah, Jakarta. My identity number is 11230117 penta 013. In this video, we will learn about angle. So, let's get started. Okay, first we have an example that we are gonna solve it together. Nabila is an 8th grade junior high school student who takes English lessons on Wednesday at 4 p.m. But Nabila's teachers asked to change the day. The question is, if Nabila changes lessons on Saturday at 3 p.m., then how many degrees are formed and what is the name of the angle? If before start lessons, Nabila goes with the family from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m., then how many degrees are formed and what is the name of the angle? Before we answer this example, let's start by remembering what is an angle. The definition of angle is, angle are the figure formed by two lines that extend from a common point or by side of two planes that extend from a common line. So, what the concept of angle? Let's start beginning to know what the part first about concept of angle. You can see here, there are examples of each angle. The first, arms, lines OA and OB. The second, vertex, is point O. And the third, as you can see, the naming of an angle is angle AOB or angle BOA, can be written angle AOB or angle BOA or angle O. The fourth, the size of angle can be expressed in degrees and the size of the degree. Example, 30 degree. There are 6 types of an angle. The first is a right angle. Angle B called the right angle. An angle that is exactly 90 degrees. The second is acute angle. Angle P called the acute angle. An angle is less than 90 degrees. The third is obtuse angle. Angle M called the obtuse angle. An angle that is greater than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees. The fourth is reflex angle. Angle U called the reflex angle. An angle that is greater than 180 degrees but less than 360 degrees. The fifth is strike angle. Angle N called the strike angle. An angle that is exactly equal to 180 degrees. And the last, full rotation angle. An angle that is exactly equal to 360 degrees. After remembering about angle, we can answer example problem. If Nabila changes lessons on Saturday at 3 p.m., then how many degrees are formed and what is the name of the angle? We can answer the questions. A clock subtends an angle of 360 degrees at the center or can be side full rotation angle. We know that the clock is divided into off section. 12 units represent a complete angle of 360 degrees. So, 1 unit represents 360 degrees divided by 12 equal 30 degrees. Number of units between the hour and minute hand at 3 p.m. is 3. Angle between the hour and minute hand equal 3 times 30 degrees. Therefore, the angle is 90 degrees or you can say is a right angle. Next to the questions number 2. If before start lessons, Nabila goes with the family from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m., then how many degrees are formed and what is the name of the angle? We know that a full circle is 360 degrees and 1 unit represents 30 degrees. From here to here is 30 degrees and so on until number 12 and represent 3 units. 3 units times 30 degrees equals 90 degrees. From 12 to 10 represent 2 units or equal to 60 degrees. And then 90 degrees plus 60 degrees equals 150 degrees. Then we conclude the angle from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. is 150 degrees. And the name of the angle is obtuse angle because an angle there is greater than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees. It is easy then. I hope you can solve another problem like that after watching this video. So that is all from me. Don't forget to always improve your skill. Thank you very much for watching and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.